Hello students, myself Virendra Pandey, chemistry faculty from Sai Vikas. Uh, I hope last lecture was enough to explain the basic intro of my first chapter, and so let us begin with today's next topic named uncertainty in measurements, and I hope you will try to learn it, not to cram it. Okay, let's start uncertainty. First of all, अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज अनसर्टेनिटी. सर्टेनिटी का मतलब है दिस मीन्स डेफिनेट, बट व्हेन थिंग्स आर नॉट डेफिनेट देन वी पुट अन. Undefinite means when things are uncertain. So here in this topic we are going to discuss about those things which are uncertain. Generally in chemistry when we do particular experiments, so we just collect few data and we just calculate how much uncertain is the data, and so that we could probably find out what could be the minimum range in which the result could orient itself. So let's start. Sign. So this is how we shall begin. Many times in the study of chemistry we have to deal with experimental as well as theoretical data. Hence there should be many ways to handle the numbers. Conveniently and present the data realistically with certainty to the extent possible. So let us try to understand this topic in our daily practical life method. मान लेते हैं, लेट अस सपोज आप में से कुछ लोग डॉक्टर बनेंगे, कुछ लोग इंजीनियर बनेंगे. तो माना कि आप एक बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर बनते हैं. सॉरी, आई एम नॉट इंक्लूडिंग जेई पीपल्स स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज ऑल अबाउट आई नो इज डॉक्टर. So let us assume a person A has become a very good practitioner, a doctor. What happens next? The farthest relative of that person will try to assume his salary. What salary? How can he assume? He thought that person is working in Delhi's Max Hospital or Artemis Hospital or Fortis Hospital, so he must be drawing a salary of around 2.5 to 8 lakhs. In between, मतलब approximately he has been withdrawing 2.5 to 8 lakhs per month. Okay, yes, this is a fact. If a far relative is considering it 2.5 to 8, then now it comes to his family member like Chacha ji, Taya ji, and those children are just assuming. I'm sure actually he just he has they, how can they assume? They are assuming that the person is carrying a credit card of around 3 lakhs. If a person is carrying a credit card of 3 lakhs, then obviously credit card is issued when their salary is 70 from the salary to 70%. If you have got 1 lakh salary, then the credit card limit must be of 70,000 approximately. I'm not about the I'm not very much specific about these data, but these are particular एक mathematical calculation है. If a person is withdrawing 1 lakh salary, then obviously he must be gaining 70,000 around 1 lakh salary, then the credit card must have credibility of 70,000. Let us talk about his family member. If you are a doctor and you have an younger brother, so what will he assume? He will assume that this person is, I mean, you are withdrawing approximately 2.5 to 3 lakhs. This is your elder brother or sister. When it comes to your father, then I know there are few people which maintain some gap between father and son and so on. Maybe it is the gap between father and mother, father and son, or mother and son. I don't care about those things. What do I care is your father, who has a gap, is assuming that your salary must be between 2.5 to 3 lakhs. And your mother, obviously the mothers are more closer to boys. She know better. Mother knows 2.5 to 2.50 to 2.60. Mother knows your salary around 2.50 lakh to 2.60. And when it comes to you, you know the exact value, you get 2.58 lakhs. So, where are these uncertainties? Let us assume this is your elder brother. Don't worry, just study hard. You will get these figures. Elder brother, this one is your father, and this one is your mother. So, the greater the distance we go, greater will be the uncertainty. Here uncertainty is about 50,000. Understood? Here the uncertainty is about 10,000. I mean plus minus, and here 2.58 is the exact value. So these are uncertainties. Today's topic is to learn how much a number can become uncertain and what are the certainties, how can we add uncertain values to get average or mean, and so on. So I hope you are getting the basic idea of this content. So let us move further. I know a lot of people who are earning around 8 lakhs per month from an hospital. एक गुप्ता जी हैं, गुप्ता मैम हैं, she is withdrawing around 8 lakhs per month in JP Hospital Noida. Well, these are figures, and I'm sure very lot of the doctors are withdrawing more than 8 lakhs per month. So let us begin. For example, so how can we simplify things? We are going to start from that point. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. 21, 22, 23 my board 166 gram atom. Hydrogen atom of hydrogen. Hydrogen atom has got this much of mass, but you know well that this value is a very hectic job to write over in your copy, or if you want to place this data in your copy. So there are a lot of things we have developed or evolved to solve this problem. So we developed scientific notations in order to simplify these hectic values. How did we evolve? We evolved this system. Here N can have positive to negative values, and N lies between 0 to 9. So now what we have done that just count 1, 2, 3. 1.66. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 23 zeros are here. 23, 24 into 10 की power minus 24 gram. This is the mass of an atom of hydrogen. So first thing is we just evolved a system which can simplify large calculations by giving it a scientific notation. And here we in science try to simplify things. So just take a screenshot and we will move forward. Okay. For example, 546.32 can be written as 5.4632 into 10 की power 2. How come? Just if we move this decimal towards right, then the n value will get negative, more and more negative. What if we put this decimal left? More the left we go, greater the positivity in this integer will come. For example, 0.0054 can be written as, we are going towards right, and going towards right means negativity, or going towards left means positivity. So 5.4 देखो 1 2 3 4 10 की power minus 4 we moved forward, and forward means negativity. And what if we moved left? We can also write it as like it's already 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, and we want to move more left. Let us assume we move 2 digit left. So what we going to write is 10 की power 2. Here you can easily assume we moved 4 digit further, negativity. Here we moved 2 digit left, positivity, 10 की power 2. So these are just simple things. I know you have heard of it. Some of you have heard of this. Some of you have not heard of this. Just I am trying to start from 0 level to get you to the extreme. For multiplication, and division, just simplify things. 5.6 into 10 की power 5 into 7.8 into 10 की power 8. How can we calculate this? Just don't touch this exponential notation. What we have to do, simply 5.6 into this one, first take out this one, 7.8. Then if there is a multiply sign between these, you have to add the powers. 10 की power 8 plus 5. Just as simple as that. What will it become? Whatever. Into 10 की power 8 2 10 3 13. Answer. I'm not interested to get the correct answer. Let us assume 5.6 into 10 की power 5 divided by 7.8 into 10 की power 8. What will we do? The same procedure will follow. Power, here what we have did, this one, we took the powers for sum, because here the symbol was multiplication, here the symbol is division. We are going to divide this, or minus. For multiplication we just added, and for division we are going to subtract it. How come? Just do first part. 5.6 divided by 7.8 into 10 raised to the power. अब डिवाइड इससे इसको करना है, तो just do one thing, 5 minus 8. The answer will be 5.6 7.8 into 10 की power minus 3. This is how we do simple mathematical calculations. There is nothing new. I'm just starting from 0 to 0. I won't say it is 0, it is negative level. Again, for addition and subtraction, like 6.65 into 10 की power 4 plus 8.95 into 10 की power 4. And let us take one more example. 6.65 into 10 की power 4 plus 5. Another example. 2.5 into 10 की power minus 2. 4.8 into 10 की power minus 3. So what we are going to do here? We have to subtract. Rule number 1 and the last is, just try to, when you are subtracting one value from another having exponential notation, just make these exponential factors equal. As here it is 10 की power 4, then nothing to worry about. Just put 10 की power 4 because these are same. Next, what we are going to do, 8.95 add 6.65 plus 6.65. I'm sure you can do this calculation very easily. That's the answer. And for the next one, here it is 10 की power minus 2, here it is 10 की power minus 3. So there are two ways. First we have to make it equal. So there is one thing, either I can make it minus 3 or I can make it minus 2. There are two ways. Let us assume I am going to make it minus 3. So what I am going to do is, for minus 3 more negativity, for negativity I have to move forward, for positivity I have to move backward, I mean whatever. So I made it to 10 की power minus 2, 10 की power minus 3. So for negativity I made it 25.0 into 10 की power minus 3 minus 4.8 into 10 की power minus 3. Just as simple as that. What I am going to do next is put the power same. Just subtract 25.0 minus 4.8. This is just simple maths. You can do it easily. This was the first method, and the second method is obviously very easy. Here 2.5 into 10 की power minus 2 minus, I am going to convert it into 10 की power minus 2. How am I going to do? For 10 की power minus 2 there is a positivity, and positivity means I have to move backward. Backward. So what will it become? It will become 0.48 into 10 की power minus 2. Simply, now what I am going to do? 0.48 into 10 की power minus 2. The answer from this value and from this value will remain same. Understood? I think you are getting my point. Just take a screenshot or go through it. It will become easy for you to understand these things by simply following your teacher. Just do as I said. So let's move further. For significant